Hi, I'm Haley Menard from The Sugar Burger, and today we're not turning on the oven, we're not getting out the mixer, and we are going to celebrate Little Debbie, the child that crafted our childhoods. She has a snack creation section on the webpage, and let me tell you, it gets wild. Dirty Debbie does some crazy creations, takes you on a safari, brings you a springtime surprise, and we're gonna do it all tonight. Okay, thanks to Sydney, our DoorDasher, we do not have Little Deborah Swiss rolls for this Little Debbie creation. So I'm crossing streams and using Entenmann's, who was not named after a young girl, but it's actually named after a German man, William. Just a little FYI trivia for you. So anyway, thanks to Sydney, we're just gonna cut this cake up into Swiss roll size, and we are going to make little horsies. It looks very, very easy. No oven required, no mixer required. You just grip it and rip it. This is very expensive though, to be fair. It's very expensive to just buy all this pre-made stuff and go for it. It smells so good. Can you smell it? Mm-mm. You can't? How about now? Okay, still not. All right, William, no one can smell your cake. Let's see, what is about Swiss roll size? First of all, I want to get it out of this beautiful presentation packaging. I'm gonna ruin the whole thing. I won't be able to make any horses. So I feel like that's like the length of a Swiss roll-ish. Yeah, this is fine, Sydney. Oh, I really don't believe that the store didn't have Swiss rolls. It's an iconic dessert. Here's our first horse face. So, mini Nilla wafers is gonna be their cute little horse nose. This is where you would pet it if it was a real horse. Now, I have cookie frosting. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. Why am I wasting my time making up? No one cares. No one cares it's homemade. I could say this was homemade, no one would know. This is already gonna be cute. I can feel it. Eyeballs. Oh no, his eyes are gonna be way too far apart. Is that too far apart? A little. Sliced almonds. This is an episode that needs scissors, man. Thank goodness scissors are in that drawer. But if you ask Nate, the scissors are always in some sort of mysterious Narnia place. Just ask every time. Little horse ears. And then we boop with edible marker. Don't use a Sharpie. We boop the snoot. It's a horse. It is a friggin' horse. Let's do another one. I wanna do another one. There's so much frosting on this. It's like egregious. I can't lick this off. All right. No one will know. Let's do horse number 2. It's our first white trash treat. In the book, should I make a Pink Pony Club one? Pink Pony Club. Yeah, Pink Pony Club. Do I have pink glitter? Pink Pony Club. All right, let's Pink Pony Club this one.
But don't sing the actual song so that we don't get dinged.
Yeah, no one will recognize what I just said there for sure. Should I move these guys to the presentation plate already? They're low riders, so they can go in the front. Pink Pony Club time. Should I pink pony right on it? I'll pink pony on the background. Can't you use like less than 20 seconds of a song if you sample it? Or is that only if you make a different song with the song? I did take a music copyright class in college, but that was some years ago now. Although, according to my mother, 2 less than I think. Her birthday card said I was 36 instead of 38. Take the compliments where you can get it. And I think I want to make their nose, I don't know, pink. Let's do light pink. This is a magical one. I bet Little Debbie's snack creation team would be really proud of this. Done! I'm very pleased with the horsies. Now we move on to a seasonal situation of a cute little Easter basket. So we're really just running the gamut of the options available on the snack creation site. A lot of parts, a lot of pieces and parts here. We're gonna continue to use this chocolate Entenmann's cake. So we'll call this Sydney the DoorDasher's version that didn't get the right thing. It's supposed to be done with a Easter basket Little Debbie treat. But those are basically the same thing as zebra cakes. They just have more spring decorating on them. But I think for like a basket situation, like this is brown, baskets are brown. Let's just not overthink it. It's fine. We pivot here. We learn how to adapt. So I'm gonna cut these into circles, even though zebra cakes are a hexagon, because baskets are not hexagons. So like they were being a little willy-nilly with the geometry there. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna go true geometry. I feel like I want them kind of little. I'm gonna use Nate's special treehouse glass. That's, I'm sure, what the brewery intended. I'm gonna make a circle. Oh, I thought that was gonna live in there. This one might live in there. Oh my God. William Entenmann makes an incredibly moist, sticky cake, which is good and bad. I don't know if he's still with us, but his family's making moist, sticky cakes. Whew. Next step, I have piping bags now. Got these for my birthday. Oh, these are big. Snip the tip. Get our preparations here. Grass tip. Grass tip, grass tip. Easter, gotta have grass. I feel like I wanna snip the tip a little more. It's like overhanging. It's like a sloppy circumcision there. Vibrant green vanilla. Funfetti. I don't think we're gonna use the funfetti part, but that's very kind of them to include it. Look at that. Oh, sticky frosting. Nate's gonna love this. Let's make some grass. I've never made grass before and I didn't look it up. So let's just see. Does that look grassy to you? Oh, you pull it up a little. Did you see that? Wow. That's crazy. Dude, sometimes you just learn on the fly. This is a lot of frosting on this one, but that's fine. Then, since it's Easter, you need Jesus eggs. 3 Jesus eggs. Traditional Twizzler. I have my doubts about this situation because I feel like these are a little like too hard. Maybe not, maybe not. I feel like this is gonna have like a mind of its own. It is a little like, it wants to fight back. I'm not happy. I feel like the handle is like, I mean, there's too much effing grass over here. Let's mow. That looks a little better. The grass spillage was killing it. The pull technique. I'm having fun making it though. Does anyone do this kind of stuff anymore? I could see this like when I was a kid. I could see this being at like a birthday party of a non-cooking mom with like ham and cheese sandwiches for the food or something. Like people don't do this anymore. Too afraid of this, the microplastic frosting. You have to just, it is what it is. Risk rewards, baby. Let's cut the handle a little shorter maybe. No, that was insane. Oh, the Jesus eggs. Ooh, ooh. Oh no, it's too many of the same color. Again. Okay, there's no standard length here. We're just, it's crazy baskets. That's okay. Look at that. This is a beautiful springtime farm Easter display. We have one more treat that's probably the most disturbing one. Did you get them? You did it! Sydney couldn't deliver, but Nate got us the zebra cakes just in time to make the last creation. Nate's gonna help.
Yes, sorry, I was chewing.
Oh my gosh, he's eating all of our ingredients right now.
What are we making?
This is disgusting, and I can't believe they put this on the internet. This is like dirtier than the dirtiest thing on the. We're making a zebra cake safari shake. That's what little Debbie, Ms. Deborah, if you're nasty, which we are feeling nasty here, says. I know, he's excited. And you're not gonna believe this.
Is this an actual Little Debbie's recipe?
Yes.
Oh, jeez.
And I toned it down. It says 8 zebra cakes.
8?
Here's the thing. It said to tear them up in little pieces. I don't think you need to do that. This is a NutriBullet.
Rip them right apart.
Rip them right apart. Bye. You want to open one? Do you want to be helpful?
Oh, I guess I gotta eat this.
This is supposed to make one super shake. That's insane. Well, we need 2 for the garnish.
Okay.
So get those out.
Use the whole box?
Yeah, it's the whole box for a shake. Can you imagine somebody scouring the internet for like dessert recipes and they're like, oh, that sounds good.
Just use the whole box of Little Debbie's.
This is fine.
320 calories.
So that's 640 $12.80 just for the cakes. We're not even at the 6 scoops of ice cream.
32 grams of sugar. This is gonna be bad.
Oh yeah.
Oh, is this it right here?
Oh wow, it's on the back of the box. They're really pushing it.
Wild.
That's crazy.
Well, you need pineapples and bananas and cherries and
I'm not
oranges
doing that part.
and coconut around the glasses.
I know you can really go.
You
ham
can go
with it.
take your taste buds deep into dessert with this adventurous shake.
It is adventurous. Will I die? Will I get the beaties? What's gonna happen? It's only a third cup of milk. I don't know how this is gonna blend up.
What's happening?
Are you ready? Maybe I should have broke the cakes up. Oh, I guess that's why I shouldn't have put them in first either. This safari has come to a halt. Is this what I want?
Yes.
Do you know what this looks like? A different kind of safari. Like that?
Ready?
It's not doing anything. Is it on?
I don't know
you-
how to use this
You must not have locked it in.
because I did turn it. No, that's gotta be locked in.
Doesn't think so.
Oh, I see. Why are we so bad at this?
This is just what happens when you decide to go on camera. It's not working still. Okay, hold. Let's just fully mix it up with our safari dilly.
Well, let me do something.
Okay.
Let me do this. Thick boy.
It's like a fribble. Can I say that? I used to love fribbles. Yeah, it was gonna do it. Oh, there it goes! Zebra Safari!
How long do you blast it for?
I think she's blasted. Okay.
Can I eat this?
Nate, you're gonna
Not on the
spoil.
inside.
Nate! You can't do that on camera. Wow. Oh, that looks like a full cake. You know what's hilarious? This doesn't even make 2. 7,000 calories. It doesn't even make 2 milkshakes. Oh, let's get different glasses because this isn't gonna be pretty. Let's dirty everything we have. What if we did like little tiki men? Should I do the chocolate syrup on the inside? Get the syrup. Let's make it worse.
I just came home from the gym and now I'm gonna just ruin it all. All right. Oh, I got it on the rim.
Beautiful. All right. Nice. It's beautiful. It's all, that one doesn't have a giant cake in it, so that's good. Shoot. That's okay, because you know what we're gonna do?
Fill it up with whipped cream.
Fill it up with whipped cream. Yeah, maybe I put too much on this one because he's not gonna have a whipped cream. Is this gonna be ugly now? Quick like a bunny. Boom.
You're just making a mess, huh?
Yeah. It's a safari, baby. Whatever happens, happens. I don't think we need 2 of these either.
No, we could save one.
Little Debbie's gonna be like, they ruined my recipe. Oh, that didn't work.
And just put it on top.
Put it on top.
There you go.
That'll be the taste tester.
This was an easy one, huh? We didn't really do much.
I love the easy ones. Are you gonna taste it? Do you want a straw?
Yeah, I think a straw.
Wait, please hold.
Get your little mittens in there.
Boop. So fun. Boop. This is the only straw I have that's big enough to take on the safari shake. Let's see.
Nothing. It's going. There it is. You get chunkies?
Oh yeah.
I like it when you get a little chunkiness.
Pretty good. I never taste first. I was excited. I was feeling my wild side.
Oh yeah. I don't know if I'm a fan of the zebra cakes.
You were gonna say of Little Debbie, the child. That's rude.
I can taste the zebra cakes, and I'd rather have the Swiss rolls they make.
Yeah, well, funny story. I know you brought them now, but it's too late.
It's too late.
Out of 10, you rate it.
Like a 4. Yeah, it wasn't that good. You know, the look of it and you make it, it's fun, but like,
The experience.
yeah, when
of
you
the
actually drink it,
safari.
you're like, it doesn't taste that good.
Well-
What did you rate it?
Yeah, like a 5, 6. I mean, I definitely slurp it down, no problem. I wouldn't be like, no, thank you, but
Send it back.
you know, for an entire package of zebra cakes in there. This whole thing was very expensive.
To purchase?
We're not going to financially recover from this episode for a while, and this is the fruit of our labors. It's not cheap to be white trash. It really isn't. It's like expensive.
Yeah, that little box was like $3.15.
And that was at the Dollar Tree.
It's at the Dollar Tree.
Oh my gosh.
It's the only place I could find that had them.
All right. Well, get out of here so we can finish
right.
the rest of our
I'll
stuff.
take one little.
Yeah, take it for the road. So, aside from this delight that you baked,
Oh, yeah.
basically by yourself with no help, we also made some other suggested Little Debbie creations.
Are these horses?
They're horses! Yes. They were supposed to be the Swiss roll.
Okay.
But Sydney, the DoorDasher, brought me a whole Entenmann's cake instead.
There's no way the grocery store didn't have them.
There's no freaking way.
They
Worst DoorDasher. Both zebra cakes and Swiss. Both zebra cakes and Swiss rolls.
There's no way. They always have at least Swiss rolls there.
Sydney,
She didn't even try.
if you're
You didn't even try,
listening,
Sydney.
You didn't even try.
You are not great.
Okay, so we had to make do with what we had.
Okay.
So I Swiss roll shaped the horses.
Okay, with almond ears.
Aren't they cute?
Yeah?
And do you understand this one? Do you understand the joke?
It's got glitter in his face?
What color is he?
Pink?
And what kind of animal is he?
A horse?
No, different. What's another word for horse? A little one.
Pony? It's
Yeah.
a pink pony?
So cute. Do you want to eat one?
Yeah, I'll try one.
Okay, you can have your pick. Be careful because Entenmann's stability is not the same as Little Debbie's stability.
Oh, yeah. Doesn't taste like a Swiss roll. I'm not a fan of their cake either.
Oh my God. Nate doesn't like anything
What is
today.
going on?
What are you going to give it for looks?
They're cute. So you did a good job. I'll give you a 10 on the looks.
Wow, that's wonderful news. How does it taste?
I don't know. They're like box stuff. I'm not a big fan of it.
It's very expensive though. It was like $8.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't enjoy it. I wouldn't eat the whole tray of it.
Maybe if you had your period. What about these guys? This one took a little bit of an
Is this a
structural
Easter
integrity
basket?
issue. Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah.
these are probably good, huh?
Yeah.
If I can get one.
Get one.
Yeah, those are good. I bet this part's good.
Okay, you're just dismantling the whole thing.
That's how you do Easter basket.
Did you like my grass?
Yeah, it's cute.
I learned how to do that today, live, just with trial and error, just with the tip.
That's so tip.
Okay, what do you rate those?
I don't think I really want to take another bite of it.
Okay.
So it's probably the same rating.
Okay.
I imagine the cream is the same, just colored different.
Yeah,
Yeah, so it's not great.
it's not great.
You did a good job though.
Thank
They
you.
look good.
Thank you. All right, Dirty Deborah, thanks for the ideas.
Yeah, way to go.
I found a little website. Oh, dang. I lost it. Use them all. Use it all. Zebra cake.
He's making you nervous.
I know. You were shaking me up. Okay, Nate, come back.
Is that the knife you would have used for the sourdough?
Yes, for sure. You heard Pink Pony Club?
What is the Pink Pony Club?
It sounds like it's like a go-go dancer area.
Cute.
They're so cute. Clean. As soon as the frosting gets on it, you are cooked. White trash dessert.
Wow.
Wow. Stay. No. We're all done with this. What are you even looking at? Oh, it's stupid Nate. He's being a pest. That's it.
Okay, come back in a minute.
No, it's not. Hold on.
This is so stressful. Right? That's blasted. I know. Are you feeling crazy? Yeah.
All right, that was weird. See you later.
Are you ready for this? Do you want some? Yeah. Yeah, you are. Are you ready?
You're gonna put that in the bloopers?
The bloopers?
I think that's good because it means your cooking is way better.
Way better.